Kajingjur ki kam krong pisa jubor hakani ki jala ki pulit ki beron haki office terekam silentera jong ka surok ba kum ka National Highway South Ho bat ka National Highway South Pusau kentup ru ya ka Shillong bypass kala penong ya ki babun ki pat ba khamtam ya ki tarajala bekin skul eran ban yu I ba ya kani ka kam lale da ki runar Henry di gibri ki bedon ya ka bor ban pet ya ka syongsuk syongsan haki imlang ka salang bat kentup ru ban ai ka jingshania hasurok halenti Kajinglingo kabagi pat ba ki syam kadai na kadaw begini ki pulit kim sim lale akani ka kam ka balong bian ha ka por men Henry lale ha ka por ka basit ka basai Kabate CCTV dangshen kalayo buon ki jing ujuan ki pat ba halor kani ka kam bian jong ki pulit ka bala penlong wat ki pat ba bakin wan airu ya ka jingring dur ki blalap pelen ya ka jing krong pisa jubor jing ki pulit ya ka kamai jak po jong ki wei Habai dai ba kani ka benta naklang u DGP ka jala u Rajiv Mehta dang haki khindet sngi ha ka jinga kundo bagi lat pathai kubor ulong katanat kadap dagi jing leran ha ka jing don jing ni gibriu bat kala kubor ru bakani ka kam kala kanrei bha bat ong ba katanat klempep kan pensitom ladalap ye gibriu ki baron kti
tackle the ongoing extortion by the police, especially along the national highway daily.
Correct.
I'm telling you daily.
True.
What will you feel?
I'll have to answer.
What,
I'm duty bound to
what
answer.
Have you taken, sir?
No, whatever, you see, there cannot be a perfect scenario, right? Attempts are made. If I don't succeed, somebody else will replace me. If I'm not found fit enough, let somebody else come.
Sir.
I am not perfect.
Sir,
But till I'm there, whatever is in my ability, I'll do to the best of my
Okay, sir.
ability.
How you
But
understand-
if the public is not satisfied, if the government is not satisfied, they should get a better
Okay,
person.
sir. How have you arrested that policeman? We have publicized with his photo, which during the time when he was collecting money from data. Have you arrested the policeman?
Any action been taken?
A full inquiry is lodged. SP that very day has said he should be submitting his reply immediately. The aim is not only to arrest him but dismiss him also.
Okay.
I mean, that's shameful.
We'll ensure that he is.
In fact,
very shameful.
it's very good you've got it.
But what about Nurul
I've
Islam?
never hesitated on that.
But what about Nurul
I
Islam?
agree with you.
Nurul Islam?
It's going on, sir. Now also tonight also
We've tried a lot.
Okay.
We are not getting him.
Why you have a tracking device? You can
Everything we have, still we aren't getting so many people.
You can track the media. SIB people coming.